Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Salim Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel. First of all, as usual, request you to subscribe my channel, and this way here I am showing you, and also please click on bell icon to get to know about my new video. Today I am going to show you how to configure your Tenda router as a repeater or WISP mode. So the default IP of Tenda is 192.168.0.1, and you will get this page. Here you can change the SSID and the security of your local Wi-Fi. So I am going to change it. The SSID will be HTC Hitech computers, as you know, and the password will be Swat Khan. The S will be capital. After the configuration, I will connect it, and you will see it that I am getting to the network and surfing my net. So if you click on OK, you will get this page, and here you can see the repeating mode, and click on it. Here you have three options: WISP and repeating mode. So today I am teaching you the WISP and repeating mode. First of all, I will show you how to configure your Tenda router as a repeater. So click on it, and you will get all the Wi-Fi around you. Today so I am connecting my Wi-Fi to my local network Hitech computers. As I know the password, you will click on the password and give the existing Wi-Fi router password, which is blah blah blah, and then click on OK, again OK, and Tenda router will be restart, and excuse me, it will be configured inshallah successfully, and you will see the status of this router. Here it is restarted now, and you will see the status here is the status is orange color, and it will connect. After it will connect, the orange color will be converted to green color. This is now connected to the network, and you can surface your network, and you are now connected. So this was the easy way to how to configure as a repeater. And the other way, WISP mode, which I am now going to show you how to configure the router as a WISP. They both are the same way, but sometimes people are confusing how to connect as a WISP. So you see, I am connected now as a on a repeating mode. Now I am going to connect you and WISP. As you can see, this is the same way. When I click on WISP, I got the same Wi-Fi's around me, and I click on Hitech computer, and then the Hitech computer password below. So then I will be able to, when I click the OK button, I will be able to connect as a WISP router to my Hitech computer existing, and wait for restarting the device. Some of my clients told me to configure in English, so I am trying my best to get it in English. So you can see I am now connected as a WISP mode, and now you can see the status. Now you can see the status that I am connected already, and whenever I will surface the net, then here you can get uh, now I'm going to connect it to my HTC device. As I told you that the Wi-Fi name is HTC and the password is Swat Khan. S is capital. So here OK, yes, and now I will connect to the internet and enjoy the net. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Allah Hafiz and take care. Thank you.